Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Bienvenidos a mi cocina. Today we're making a traditional Cuban dish called Enchilado de Camarones. So let's get started. Hola mis cariños, hoy les traigo una receta tradicional de Cuba, se llama Enchilado de Camarones. Vamos a empezar. Primero vamos a empezar por hacer el sofrito. Sofrito es la base de plato cubano, latino y españoles. Sofrito es conocido como la Trinidad porque está hecho de tres cosas: pimientos, cebolla y ajo. So we're going to start off by making the sofrito. The sofrito is the base to all, or the foundation to all Cuban, Latino, and Spanish cooking. So once this is softened, then we're going to add in our tomato sauce. Next, I'm going to add in the tomato sauce. And basically what I'm making is salsa criolla, which is a Cuban Creole sauce. And it's used throughout Latin America, so everybody has their own spin to it. Ahora, haciendo salsa criolla cubana. La salsa criolla es una salsa para le dar un sabor o color a unos platos. Next, I'm adding some white cooking wine. Le puse vino seco para le dar poquito más sabor. Next, I'm going to add my dry ingredients, and I'm going to let the sauce reduce down to half and thicken up. Once it's thickened, then I'm going to add in my shrimp. Siguiente, le puse mis condimentos secos y quiero que la salsa se reduzca a una salsa gruesa y luego añadiré los camarones. And for an extra pop of color, I'm adding in some parsley. You don't have to add this to it if you don't want to. Y ahora le puse un manojo de perejil, pero no tiene que añadir esto si no quiere. And now I'm going to add one bay leaf, and then I'm going to add in the shrimps. Ahora le puse una hoja de laurel y siguiente los camarones. So I'm going to cook the shrimps for about 5 minutes. You don't want to overcook the shrimps because they'll get really tough. Ok, voy a cocinar los camarones unos 5 minutos porque más tiempo que eso serán duros. Now I'm going to cover it and I will be back in about 5 minutes. Voy a taparlo y vengo para atrás en 5 minutos. So now, as you can see, the sauce has reduced to half the amount and is thickened. And now I'm going to add a little bit of sugar to take the acidity away from the tomato sauce. And then I'm going to add a little bit of heat with a pinch of chili flakes. And if you don't like chili flakes, you can leave that step out. You don't have to add it. Cuba no es conocida por la comida picante, pero este es uno de los platos que es picante. So now we're going to just cover this and cook it for about 5 more minutes. Y ahora tapamos y cocinamos unos 5 minutos más. And to accompany my enchilado camarones, I am making mariquitas. And in some places in Cuba, they call them chicharitas. And basically what they are plantain chips, but made in long strips. Y acompañar mi enchilado camarones, voy a hacer mariquitas, como dicen en Cuba, or chicharitas. Mariquitas have always been my favorite as a little child. I would eat a whole bag of these, and so now that I make them my own, that I have to be really careful with these because they're easy to make. Estas son mis meriendas de la infancia favorita, así que tengo que tener cuidado. Y último, arroz blanco. And lastly, I made some white rice, and I made a mojo sauce to go with the mariquitas. And basically, that's made with olive oil, garlic, and lime juice, and a little spices. And another way that I love to eat enchilado camarones is with harina de maíz, which is cornmeal. That's a really Cuban way of eating it. And also, you can make plantain cups and put the enchilado camarones inside the plantain cups, and they make a great appetizer for parties. Me gusta con harina de maíz o relleno de plátano. Okay, so now dinner is served, and I'm just going to try a little bit to see what it tastes like. Okay, la mesa está servida. Vamos a probarla. Ay, qué rico. Well, guys, I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. It's been fun making it and delicious. And if you want to see more videos like this and you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button below. And also make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos. Bueno, mis cariños, es hora para ayudarme. Si te gusta este video, dale un like. No olvides suscribirse a mi canal y dale un click a la campana para que saber cuando subo un video. And before I go, I just want to let you guys know I have a new YouTube store. Stop by and check it out. Thanks for your support. Oye, mi gente, antes de irme, quiero decirles que tengo una tienda de YouTube. Visítame allí. Gracias por tu apoyo. Hasta la próxima.